Good morning, good afternoon and good evening guys. Thanks for tuning in to Traders Motivation. Today is a market review of the currency markets on the 9th of February 2017. I'm just going to go through a couple of trades, a couple of setups that I've noticed. I'm currently in a live trade on the CAD Swiss franc 4-hour chart. Reason being, my entry here is this yellow arrow. The reason being we've entered up into a really nice supply area. As shown with this big bearish engulfing candle that we had overnight or late yesterday. So we've come back up and we've tested the price where that bearish engulfing candle originated from, and we're likely probably to see some downside reaction from that area. So I'm currently short. We'll probably take it down to the 1 hour to get our take profit. So yeah, up here. To be fair, the ideal entry is up around 7591. I've got stops above that area there, look. So we had consolidation and a big move down, so I'm going to enter on the test of that area, which I have done by the test of this candle here, as opposed to this one. But waiting for a test of this candle is also a decent approach. If we do come up to that level, I may enter another trade just to add to that to see where we go. So let's have a look at a few more. We've got the we'll have a look at Euro USD, see if there's any trades, setups or anything formed on there. There we go, Euro USD 4-hour chart. We'll take it up to the weekly, see where we are. So we're in a little bit of a downtrend, ever so slightly, shown with this lower low and then another lower low down here, testing price below that. And we've got lower highs as well as we've come through. I wouldn't really get involved until we can probably come up to this area here, which also coincides with some decent resistance. Horizontal trend line, we'll stick that on there. That would be my entry at 1.0975. Stops probably at 1152. Expecting probably lower lows below these levels down here at 103.39. So that's Euro USD, but that's the weekly chart. We'll have a look if there's any daily setups. It doesn't appear to be. Yeah, I wouldn't be thinking about entering a Euro USD trade until I came back up to these levels. There's nothing jumping out at me at the moment. We have had a break of a trend line on the daily. If we just draw a trend line from down here. So we bounced there and there. So we've broken that trend line. We may have a test and it maybe get a short from using that kind of analysis, but we'll see. And I'll also draw a trend line from this one to this one. And yeah, so we're bouncing around on these two trend lines. And we may see a sustained move down, highly likely, but I can't see any decent trades on that pair at this moment in time. We'll have a look at a couple more. We'll have a look at gold. I know you guys like trading gold. Again, for my analysis of the on Tuesday, I can't see any gold trades until we get back up to this level up here. We'll stick a trend line, a horizontal trend line on there. I wouldn't be entering until I'm up around this level, maybe at the bottom of that candle there. So we've got the trend line, the support and resistance bouncing around here. We saw a sustained move through. We battered through it, test, up, down, and this also left us a really nice supply area here, where we're going to be setting up some short trades. So that's around the 1281 mark. If we take that down to the 4-hour and zoom out a little bit, we're able to get a better entry. Yeah, I think that's the premium entry, but I would stick stops right up here at 339, expecting to see a sustained move to the downside. So we'll do one more. We'll just take one at random. Usdjpy. Again, this one's a little bit messy at the moment. It looks like we have turned over on the dollar. Whether we see sustained move up remains to be seen, but I wouldn't be taking any longs until we break any sort of trend line, such as this one here. It could be argued that we have broken a trend line already, but it's not making any sustained move anywhere. So I would watch for a break up above this level here before looking for a long trade on USDJPY. So guys, that's my Forex review for the 9th of February 2017. If you've got any questions or you want me to dig further into some analysis on a few currency pairs that you're actively trading yourselves, please let me know. And best of luck in the markets, guys. And please subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Best of luck. Catch you later.